Okay, yeah. Now, what I'm saying is, what we need to this thing. If all of us get together and come in on this tax thing on these folks, I'm telling you, right now, all them judges and them prosecutors and all them attorneys, it's going to be a long-ass soup line for them. And they're going to spend plenty of years in the pokey. See, this is not what we bringing up. You know what I'm saying? About the tax liability. Now, I'm going to give y'all an example. Like, okay, now, you know, I hear what he's saying, but you know what I'm saying? I kind of hear what he's saying. All right, so let's switch. I'm going to give you an example. Like I was talking to Brother Yusuf the other day. I'm going to give y'all an example. And I want y'all to kind of put the players in the same place that I'm about to use this example. Let's say Game Show Price is Right. Okay, everybody pretty much know about the Price is Right. Okay, all right. Now you got the investors, the sponsors, the directors, the executives that's coming up with this idea for this game show, which is the Price is Right. They are the investors of this game show idea. But the people is the one who is the customers that's going to pretty much fund the investment because they looking for a return on this. So now, their game show consists of, they buy all these prizes and gifts and trips and stuff like that. And when you know you purchase anything, you have to pay the taxes on that. So they're never planning on paying the taxes. That's where you come in as the contestant and the participant. You pay your little money and your little entry fee, okay? And then you get on the game show, and they tell you to come on down. So now you're a contestant, you pay the entry fee. That means you're a co-beneficiary to the Price is Right. They are the executor, right? They claim to be the executor, but you are the co-beneficiary, right? Now, check it out. Say you win $100,000 in prizes. You win trips over to Switzerland, wherever it may be. You don't win furniture, brand new car. You don't want some skis, and hell, you don't even go skiing. Here's the catch. You didn't read the fine print when you paid the little money as the interest fee to be what? A co-beneficiary. Said that you will be liable for the taxes for whatever prize and earnings and winnings. So here it is on $100,000. You're not expecting that you were going to have to pay $10,000 for the taxes on the proceeds in order for you to what? Get the prize and stuff you win. You don't pay the $10,000, you don't get the prizes. But they hold you responsible because you signed the contract. Now, let's say, for instance, they never did got anybody to participate in the Price is Right. Who's responsible for the taxes for those gifts and stuff that they bought? They are. Now, you get my point? So they the one that's initially responsible for the liability and the taxes. So that's where your signature, they come in to bully you into signing the money order process that you never see, which is that they saying that you're responsible for the $1.5 million taxes on the case. So that's why you as the trustee sits in there in the pokey. Now, the amity courts that they use and set up, they use equity and trust law. They always turn it over to trust law, so they're using the Holy Trinity in these courts. So what we have to do under the Power of Appointment Act of 1951, we have to rebut the position of the trustee that they already set it up. Now, when you go into court, you got the judge, well, so-called judge, the prosecutor, who is the crown, and then they got you. So they got the Trinity set up in court. Now, if you read the scriptures are set up the same way with the pyramid. At the top, you have the grantor, who is the father, the creator. Down on the left, you got the son, who is the beneficiary, who is the grantee. Okay? Then you have over here in the right corner is the Holy Ghost. It's the ghost. You got the living, breathing Father, living, breathing man, but you got the ghost over here. That's not entitled to anything. Now, you put those same pieces, plug in where the Father at, the judge is sitting up there. He done put himself up there as the executor or the grantor. The crown or the prosecutor is over there in the corner where the Holy Ghost is, but he claims to be the beneficiary. He's not a living entity. He's an agent. So, but he's claiming for damages, and he's claiming damages and claiming all the proceeds and for you to go to jail. You over there that's supposed to be the beneficiary, you sitting over there as a trustee because that's how they set pieces up in court. What you have to do is rebut being the trustee and be the executive and the beneficiary and point them as fiduciary trustees over all said matter because they are the public servants. They are the trustees. And they can't get out of this. And this is trust law that they can't get out and they can't break. Okay, let's go a little further. So it's based on them dealing with the trust and the estate. So here it is. They're coming in, claiming to be the estate beneficiary, so we have to rebut that. And one way you stop the cases is ask them for these taxes on these liabilities and ask them for them 1099 and them bond forms. See, and a lot of times they ain't even finna deal with that because they already know where you finna go with that. They know you're a little bit too smart and you done figured out that, hey, man, y'all the one responsible for the tax liability. Y'all filing an insurance claim on me. Y'all got to prove the damages. Where's the injured party? Because there's only three reasons why one should come to court. Injury to the body, injury to property, or breach of contract. Y'all have none of those three. Now, let's go any further. So I want to take that price of right so far as the paying the taxes. This is what they're doing to you. Same scenario. Now, when you have the money order to take care of, the IRS forms, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and attach the 4490, look these forms up, and also the 8281. These are the forms that the courts are supposed to have and fill out. And these are the receipts, you know what I'm saying, from the OID. And I'm gonna go over how to fill out these money orders and 1099s, and I'm gonna go over them step by step too later on in this conversation, so we can get that right, so we can show y'all how to take care of this on the finance side. Okay. Now, also, what I want to go into is that